you want to leave this place.
In Agassiz. Agassiz, BC. It's east of Chilliwack.
Nice hat.
I got 2 of them.
Where did you go?
I went to see my sister in Ambo.
How long were you away?
Just the overnight.
You should cross from the other border.
I did, because now I have to go to Victoria because I have to be at William Head Institution for Monday, so I figured I would go early.
Why is that institution?
I work for Corrections Canada.
Anything coming in today? Like
No, I didn't buy anything. I was down last week, but for a few days. But this week was just a last-minute deal.
Any alcohol, tobacco, nothing?
Nope.
Okay. Have a good one.
You too. Have a great day.
As a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're
Oh, this is my parking space for the night. Right in downtown Victoria. It's $20 for 24 hours. So I think that's okay. Beats the camping. And I have a beautiful view when I wake up in the morning.
I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in the
Maybe I'll go see the bug zoo. This is Courtyard Shops. So quiet. Still early in the morning. Oh, and I gotta go outside to go see the bug zoo. Well, I'm going into the bug museum. Oh, there he is. Some big bugs. Look at that, the one on there. There's a whole whack of them. I thought they were leaves for a sec. Oh, there's another one there. Holy cow. Look at that. That is so cool. That is an insect. Okay, I'm gonna hold him. Okay, I'm holding a cockroach. I don't believe it.
Good job.
Oh.
Yeah, George is a nice guy, huh?
Yeah.
Very cool.
He's very chill.
Can you believe it? I went and had waffles and strawberries after holding that cockroach in my hand. Thanks for watching. I'll have more in my last trip to Vancouver Island on my next video.